for these examples, for two-way slab examples, so I need to introduce some of the lengths that are very important to solving that examples. Now in Australian standard, L is specified the center to center distance between the support of flexure members. For example, let's say you have two supports, brick walls or beams or columns. Now this top parts is, let's say, beam or slab, that is a flexure member. Now the standard saying that the distance, the center of this support to the center of other support is classified as L, where is given on page number 23. It says the center to center distance between the support of flexure members. So when the standard use capital L for beam and slab, you should have the image saying that okay, that is center to center distance. Now what is Ln? Ln, that is given just below it, length of the clear span, let's say, into face to face support beam. So is Ln basically from the face of the support to the other support face. So it's like a clear, this is called center to center distance. This is, let's say, called clear span meaning the from the face of the between the face of the supports, that is given here. Now LEF, which is the effective span of the member, that is given the definition somewhere here. Yep, the effective span of the member, that is taken the minimum value of Ln. I think you know what is Ln is. You can just have capital L, take away 250, you can calculate Ln, and the depth of the slab D, or depth of the beam or L. So whatever the minimum value, that is your effective span. Now A subscript SUP, a support, is a distance from center line of the support to the face of the support. Okay, so if you are taking this from, let's say, from this line to this line, the center line from the support to the adjacent edge, that is the A supplement. Where is given? I think if you go back to the standard somewhere in the alphabetical order with the A, there you go on this page. They have written on page number 18, they have written length of the support of the direction of the span. And if you just go to clause 6.1.4.4, there is a more information there. I can show it to you here. Clause 6.1.4.4. Let me find that clause here that can talk about this A support. So if you can just check here, clause 6.1.4, where is the support, they have written some definitions of the supports here. L0, I think for L0 I need to take you back to the start of the standards where you have definition of L. Let me find that L0, and there you go. Again on page number 23 where we talk about L. If you go back to the L0 here, L minus 0.7 times the sum of the value of A sum at each end of the span. So that is I written here, which is also again using these figures. I also encourage you to use this figure 6.1.4, which is as L0, that I will just read the definition, L minus 0.7. This 2 is coming from this both side, and this A subscript SUP A support is this distance. So it's basically this talking about this L0. As you can see, this distance L0 is measured not from the center, but it's in between 0.7 supplement. So that's what I mentioned here. So that's L0. You can calculate using these equations. I think these equations will be useful in some of the calculations that we're going to do it for two-way slabs. And this definition is very generic. We must need to keep in mind for design of beam and slab what are these different L, Ln, LEF, A supplement, and L0 stand for. All the definitions are given at the start of the standards, and I encourage students to refer those definitions at the start, but that they are listed here. Thank you. In the next video we will continue solving that two-way slab example. Thank you.